चलो जी। So the first tissue in the plant is meristematic tissue. तो बेटे प्लांट टिश्यू में द फर्स्ट वन इज मेरिस्टेमेटिक. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मेरिस्टेमेटिक? इन विच द सेल्स आर continuously dividing and redividing. ठीक, means it helps the plant to grow in the height, in the width, in the girth, and these are further divided into three types, and I will show you the division in this particular diagram, and then you will tell me what is the location I am writing. Okay, what are the structure of the cells? ठीक, then we will discuss afterward. So we take the diagram of meristematic tissue. So in this diagram we are showing the root and shoot. ठीक, समझ लो, this is the soil, this is the upper part, that is shoot system, and this is the root system. Okay. So where is the apical? Apical is present, as the name suggests, at the apex. ठीक? At the apex means this is the apex and this is the apex. At the tip of root and shoot. This is called apical meristem. Apical meristem. So apical meristem is present at the tip of root and shoot. Then it is intercalary. Intercalary means at the intervals, at the base of the leaves, at the internodes. These are present here. Like if a leaf is growing here or here, you can branches there. So at this base, it is present intercalary. Like here at the base, it is present intercalary. Okay. So this is now intercalary meristem. This is intercalary meristem. Not the lateral. Lateral means the position sidewise. So where is the lateral? And anyone can tell me where is the lateral present? So it is for the increasing girth and it is present in the sides. Right here. ठीक? So this is one, the lateral one. So meristematic tissue is divided into three types. These are apical, intercalary, and lateral. Okay. So apex, at the apex, apical at the tip of root and shoot, intercalary at the base of leaves, at the internodes, and at the lateral is present in the sides, in the lateral sides of shoot or root. ठीक? Now, what are their functions? Basically, these two help in increasing height, and lateral help in increasing girth, means width wise. ठीक है, मोटा करने के लिए इसको कैम्बियम भी कहा जाता है, दैट इज कैम्बियम. इट इज देयर टू इंक्रीज द गर्थ ऑफ द, मोटा करने के लिए. दिस इज अ लेटरल वन. ठीक, लेट अस स्टार्ट. हाँ जी, एनीवन कैन टेल मी what are the nature of the cells of apical और मेरिस्टेमेटिक, किस टाइप की सेल्स होती है? हाँ जी बोलो. They are not dead, they are continuously dividing and redividing. Very good. Intercellular spaces. हाँ, dense cytoplasm. You have crammed है ना अच्छे से. तो आपको सीधा समझो बेटे, क्योंकि इन्होंने ग्रो करना होता है तो इनके पास न्यूक्लियस तो हो गई, ठीक, बिकॉज दे आर ग्रोइंग. जो बच्चा ग्रो करता है, मम्मा खाना ज्यादा देते हैं ना उसको, यू हैव टू ग्रो, टेक प्रोटीन, तो इनमें डेंस साइटोप्लाज्म भी होगा, ठीक, बिकॉज दे आर डिवाइडिंग एंड रीडिवाइडिंग, बहुत डिवाइड हो रहे हैं, तो दे हैव नो इंटरसेलुलर स्पेसिस, क्योंकि इतनी सारी सेल्स बन जाती हैं, वो एक जगह पे इकट्ठी हो जाएंगी, तो क्या इंटरसेलुलर स्पेसिस के 2 सेल्स में स्पेसिस होना, so there is no such intercellular spaces. Anyone can add more point bete, hurry up, sitting in the online class, you can add. हाँ जी, Asheen want to add some point, Bhavna want to add some point. हाँ जी
Ma'am, can I speak the whole answer?
हाँ, you can speak bete.
Meristematic tissues, they contain the living cells which are having varied shapes, and the cells possesses a large nucleus which is,
they are oval, rounded like this. Yes, next.
and the cells possesses a large nucleus which is devoid of the vacuole, and the cells have no intercellular space.
Why they don't have vacuole? Anyone? Why they don't have vacuole? आपने बोला they don't have vacuole.
Ma'am, because their primary function is not storage.
Their primary function is not storage, that is why they are not having vacuole. Very good. और कोई reason? और can vacuole cause hindrance in the cell division? Can vacuole cause hindrance in the cell division, bete? Cell division में
ma'am,
hindrance. Yes. So the primary, they don't want any storage of food as they are continually dividing and redividing. When there is bete continuously dividing and redividing procedure, अगर vacuole होगा, there will be a turgidity. वो सेल टर्जिट रह जाएगी, उसको जगह नहीं मिलेगी डिवाइड होने की, ठीक है, तो दे आर नॉट हैविंग वैक्यूल. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, मेरिस्टेम्स में वैक्यूल इज नॉट देयर. व्हाई देयर इज नॉट देयर? बिकॉज इट विल इन्फ्लुएंस, इट विल क्रिएट हिंड्रेंस इन द सेल डिवीजन. हिंड्रेंस मतलब रोकना, स्टॉप करना, ओके, तो उसको सेल डिवीजन में हेल्प नहीं करेगा. और कोई ऐड करना चाहे तो इसमें ये एपिकल एंड बेसिक फंक्शन क्या है बेटे? What is the function of lateral?
Ma'am, the lateral meristem indicates the girth of stem and root.
Now Arshin, summarize whole answer. What are meristematic? How many type of meristematic tissues are there? Where they are present? What is their function and what type of cells they possess? Hurry up.
Meristematic tissues, they are the plant tissues which are having thin walled, and they are the cells that can divide and they form new cells. And the region where meristem is present can function as a growth region. Meristematic tissues are basically of three types: apical, intercalary, and lateral. Apical meristem, it occurs at the growing tips of stems and roots, and apical meristem produces growth in length of root and stem. Intercalary meristem, it occurs in the intermediate position at the base of the leaves, and it